Okay, tried to make a movie yesterday, but it didn't work, I think because I went over 10 minutes. But in news, I got the check from New Hanover County and I deposited it into your account, Mom. And, I am about to go finish getting my car inspected, so I thought I would show you guys it for a second. So I tried to make this movie yesterday, but yeah, it didn't work for some reason. Okay, so here's my wonderful car, and this is what I did to it already. See, I totally effed that up, but the guy said, see, this is how it should, that's how it should look. Yeah. But the guy said that I can pass inspections anyway, but I do need to get it fixed eventually, which I will do. I have no problem with that. So, let's go in my car. I have a little seat thing right here because I just find it's a lot easier for me to drive with it. I guess because I'm kind of short, I don't know. It's kind of embarrassing, but whatever. Senorita's in the garage. Whatever. So I totally almost hit this possum, like the other day. It was really scary. I had to brake and swerve really fast. I really thought I was gonna hit it. Okay, so I got new windshield wipers. See, I got good ones. Not the most expensive ones because I just wanted to. Okay, so this is my CD player thing, and I have this iPod connector that just hooks right up to it that the guy installed for me. So, yeah. Okay, I don't want to listen to that shit. Hold on. So let's just listen to how nice it sounds in here. Oh, I have my sunglasses. There's the Quest. I'm gonna put the Quest in the garage soon because it's easier and better since it's not being driven. And it's really warm outside now, so no reason why my car should be in the garage and not the Quest. So here we go. What's a good song to play? How about
I'll be on topic. She said he's so sweet. I wanna let the
here's how a really good rap song sounds.
Ain't the price of fame, cost too much. Hey, yeah, boy. You nigga talk too much. Hey, yeah. I'm ready for whatever. Somebody better tell me, say you're ready for whatever. Hey, hey, hey.
ain't no my head in the cloud. I'm planning on the pavement. I walk around, people stand in amazement. I play a lot of games.
Basically, the point of the story is that it gets really loud. That was only 40, and it goes up a lot higher than that. But I would never, listen to it that loud because it's just, my ears are, ringing when I get out of the car. So, I really love my car. Look, here's my speedometer and stuff. So I really love my car. really proud of it. I really love it a lot. The only thing that's hard to get used to it is like the speed feels different. Like it feels like it's going slower when really it's going a lot faster. So like I'll think I'm going 45, but really I'm going 60. So I have to take a moment to slow down sometimes. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I really love my car. I'm gonna go now so that I don't go over the time limit again and shiot.
Somebody better tell them I be here when the smoke clear and everything.
I think I really annoy people when I play it though. But I don't care. I'm gonna put all my windows down now and go get my car inspected. Bye, love y'all.